come and do something, no dey hide. I tag you because listen oh everybody, e no get wetin Akuzayo fit do. They no bother where. You dey hear me so? Dem no born that also, that village stout. Okay, one I don't hear you. That village stout, Akuzayo, they no born and well. Hear me clearly. Anumanu, I dey ask you, which place? Zone 2, Area B. So is that the only phone I own? Oh, yeah. The only phone I own? Excuse me, man. Sir, I'm waiting for my lawyer. Listen to me. Sir, I don't know this is good. This is my answer. You understand? This is security ID card. Yes, sir. So this what we call it warrant is handed over to me or you. Okay. I don't understand. For you,
I'm authorized to do what I'm doing.
In my custodial facility.
I'm downstairs.
So I'm waiting for my voice. This is from suspended. What video is it?
Using what I exactly grabbed. I said, Andy, look at the boss, Yago.
Oh my friends, please forgive me. Forgive me for what I'm about to do. Forgive me for what I'm about to do. Oh, no, That's my business. I don't cry. I'm about to answer how many murder cases now. No, not in this life. Not in this life. But nobody should call me. Nobody should call me. Nobody should call me. Oh, which tree go good? I